Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo, and I'm here today with the ThinkStation E32 small form factor workstation. Today we are going to be replacing the power supply. This process will take about 15 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The only tool required will be a Phillips screwdriver. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Before removing the computer cover, we must first remove 2 thumb screws. So now we're going to press downward on the release latch, slide the cover towards the rear of the system, and remove it. Now we're going to open the drive bay assembly. To do this, we just need to press the release lever inward, tilt the drive bay assembly up, and allow the lever to lock into place. Next, we're going to remove the fan duct. You just want to pull the 2 clips apart and lift the fan duct straight up and out of the system. Now we're going to remove the power supply assembly. First, we have to disconnect the 14-pin cable and the 4-pin cable from the system board. So now we're going to twist open the cable guide and unroute the power supply cable. Now we're going to remove 3 retaining screws. So now I'm going to hold back the power supply cables, press down on the release button, slide the power supply towards the front of the chassis, and then lift it up and out of the system. Here we have our replacement power supply assembly. So now we're going to place the power supply down into the chassis over top of the release lever, and then slide it towards the rear of the system till the lever locks into place. Now we're going to install 3 retaining screws. Then we're going to install the power supply cable into the guide and twist it closed. And now we're going to connect the 4-pin cable and the 14-pin cable to the system board. Now we're going to align the fan duct with the fan and press down until the clips lock into place. Now we're going to close the drive bay assembly. To do this, we just need to press inward on the release button and tilt the drive bay assembly down until it locks into place. When replacing the cover, it's important that the tabs on the cover align with the holes in the chassis. So once you line those up, you just want to slide the cover forward. Now we're going to replace 2 thumb screws.